We were having some issues with water puddling up. As the rain come off the gutters, it would puddle up on our sidewalk right here. So I took a drill and a drill bit and I drilled a hole even with this crack right here in the sidewalk. And then I took a little shovel and made a trench that's going out and through there. And so now the water's quit puddling, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I spent $6 and bought this Easy Edge lawn edging. I laid it out along the edge of my little river I'm making, and then I cut it with some scissors. Pretty simple. I'm also going to use a trash bag. I plan on expanding the trash bag, and I'm going to cut that same path. Okay, I cut our edges, and I took a sharpshooter and made a little trench in there. Next I'm going to cut the trash bag, and I'm going to lay inside and then over the edges. Then I'll take that extra dirt that I just dug up and fill on the outer edges to hold that plastic in place. You can see how I put the trash can in between the side dividers, and then I filled in the sides with sand, and now I'm going to put some blue gravel in there. Okay, you can see I added some blue gravel. I actually got that from the aquarium department in a pet store. I got my water hose going here. It's pretty quick. The rain will never go this fast, but if you look closely, you can see that water going downhill. It's going to flow nicely. I'm gonna wind up putting a little more dirt on the sides, and then probably like a bridge there and some other potted plants. It'll turn out real nice. I'll record another video with the final product.